Hey guys, welcome again, Phil's Home Construction. Today we are out on Redington Shores Beach helping another family get home. You guys may already know we had 2 hurricanes last year, back to back, within a week apart. And this is one of our families we're helping with the recovery effort. We're tearing down the current home that's on this property. We have FEMA flood zones, FEMA elevations. So what we're doing is we're raising this home up to match the current FEMA elevation requirements. So this homeowner is going to save money on their homeowner's insurance. They're going to get all hurricane windows, hurricane doors, even total glass on the back, because it actually does sit on the water. Demolition is happening right now on the current home. This build is going to take us between 6 to 7 months to completely build, but the entire process, from looking at the home, evaluating it, bringing in our engineers, doing soil sampling, bringing in our architectural designers, because we're designing this family's dream home now. Since they're having to tear it down, they decided to go ahead and invest in their dream home. So that's what we're working with. So they work with our entire team of engineers, architectural designers, interior designers, our construction coordinators. The whole team was involved on this project. So we're serving this client from beginning to end.